How to order a taxi from a 2GIS app. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can order a taxi from a 2GIS application. And this is how to go about it. The first step is to launch the 2GIS app on your device. Once you've done that, the next step is to select your starting point as well as the destination point of where you need a taxi to get to. So after selecting it, the description about the place would be displayed as you can see on my screen. Then go to the bottom part of the page where you can see route, favorite, share. So click on route. So by clicking on route, the routes will be displayed, the routes that you can use will be found. And then on the bottom part of the screen, you'll see the taxi icon, as well as the bus icon. You can see the walking icon and the like. So go ahead to click on the taxi icon. So after clicking on the taxi icon, you'll see the required or the suggested taxi services. Select it, then tap order to complete your order through the aggregator app or by your phone, depending on the options offered by the selected taxi service. So for me, the route I selected is not available. That is why it is displaying this. But for you, once you select a route that is available, you would see a taxi available. So go ahead and place your order. So that is it. I hope this is clear. So just go ahead, select your route, click on the right route option by the bottom part of the screen. Then you can see different route options displayed. Select the kind of vehicle you would like to order. So amongst the suggested taxi services, select it, make your payment, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching and have a good day.